Let me hook it.
Update on the boosted piece of shit. Update on the boosted bomb.
Oh, fuck.
That's the source of all his problems.
I found a leak.
That's a big
That's
leak.
a big leak.
If you put enough air in it, it screams at you.
Help! Yeah, it needs help.
It's like Chino's.
Damn, I wish you were still recording.
I was.
Make sure we tag Chino in that.
We were basically talking shit on Chino's motor, and we were saying, you know how like people take the toilet paper and like it has funny faces on it?
Mm-hmm.
We basically wanted to do the engine with a big frowny face and then a piston popping out of the motor. It's like, ah! Mitsubishi Guru. It's your best friend. You know?
And his exhaust is custom.
They all sound the same. They all super sound the same.
It sounds a little different.
Besides the newer.
It does sound a little different than most.
I like working on Caitlin's car because I can get a jack under it. Is your e-brake up?
Should be.
We're gonna find out.
How old are these jacks, sir?
Dude, these jack stands are like older than me.
Grab his chair.
I don't know.
So this is
Where the hell is MVP? They're Dayton. Made in China, they must be good. Everything else is good in China. Who knows?
I was like, don't start you.
Hi! Well, there's a little oil there.
Doing the follow and I went up.
That's not good. We'll assess that later.
Looks like it's coming off the feed line, maybe up there. Yeah, because it's a little saturated.
Yeah, it's probably coming off that. I didn't use any like Teflon tape or anything when I put the new feed line to the turbo one.
Yeah, it looks a little saturated on the T there.
Like I zip tied it to the trans housing.
Fuck yeah.
And then back here to whatever line this is, power steering.
With it going right across the O2 sensor.
I cut a hose in half because I didn't want it to rub on the deal up front here. So cut a hose in half and put it on there so there's a buffer so it doesn't eat through the line. Yep, gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's get this doohickey on. Pretty much. Danger the man.
Don't worry about it.
So I can finally figure out what the specs are.
Break a lug.
Who turned the air compressor off?
You did.
What do we got?
No, 18 by 8.5.
Okay, what are offset? 48. 48.
Yeah.
Okay. It's good to know.
So 8.5.
Alright.
So I was almost right.
So these are higher offset. So shredder 2. I think my wheels will fit on this thing.
So he's trying RX-8 wheels. So we're trying to figure out the offset for the Kia. So we pulled off the wheel.
It looks banging, man.
And now we're putting the wheel from the Subaru on the Kia to see what it looks like. Which actually looks pretty dope so far. Let's see how the fitment is though. That's the only killer part.
We're not gonna break anything. Come on. No cars were hurt in the filming.
You would lower the fender just gets launched.
Gonna have to cut out all
This
this
is
shit.
like Bryce has to edit so much.
I already have to edit the shit out of it.
Yeah. I like Homeboy's fucking hatch over there.
This one that's cracked.
No, it's the rear.
It's the rear passenger side.
What hatch?
His hatch over there.
Oh, where the backside of the
yet?
He has
Yeah.
an EG over there.
That's not gonna work.
I don't think so either.
You never know.
We're gonna try. I don't know.
I don't think my
camber it'll work.
I don't think my fenders.
Camber,
are
yeah, it
clean.
would work.
Both fenders will be.
We can. They're cracked.
And? You keep going more.
I do all this shit.
You keep going more. You tackle it together and keep going.
Bryce is home. This isn't boosted, boys.
Is there a slow in this, Jack?
Yeah, it's going. It's like the most anticipated lowering.
10 hours.
You can go a little.
Holy
shit!
It's gonna go in.
Yeah, but it'll rub if I try and turn the wheel.
You don't know that.
Don't turn. Slowly slows you down.
I would need a lot smaller tires.
Let it out.
Just let her rip.
Holy shit.
That fitment though. It would rub. I can see it right now. It's gonna rub.
But it looks fucking dope.
Here, it goes through the steering cycle.
That's a.
Why would you even glue on like 2 millimeters of piping?
Yeah.
Well, it's the piece to kind of hold it on. It's like the
Oh, is it like a little like
the little lip? Yeah.
Yeah, that didn't feel good.
Well, it's off.
Dude, that was glued on. Holy hell.
Hey.
Dude. This is plastic.
Yeah.
That's why.
It's an AutoZone pipe cut up.
It's not even that. It's plastic.
No, it's one of those AutoZone intakes cut up.
Wait. Here's your plastic and glue.
So that means this is. Yep.
It already rubbed before too, though.
Fender liner? We can fix that.
Maybe we can pull the fender line.
Do the other way.
Exactly. Oh, I heard it.
Yeah, it's catching on in the. Yeah, it's catching right there. That's. Yeah, you just take that off.
And then I probably
No, take this off and you're golden. This is already loose anyways. The front is.
It's fucking ripped in half anyways in the front.
Yeah, the front.
It's only clearing because there's a hole.
Yeah, you're fine. All you gotta do is take this off. This is broken anyways.
Hey, Austin, I just got sold your wheels. They look better than
That's what
hers.
I thought. Smaller tires would actually be good. Great too. If you bike, but you can't run them because there's a cracked wheel and you're all one drive.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, so nice to see you.
Yes.
Oh, sushi-san.
God.
Little.
Yeah,
That's
very
also
nice
because it's too
about
skinny.
that. Yeah, this is like. Where are these? Non-directional, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta make sure you put that in the video.
Yeah, I don't see any arrows, so yeah.
Wait, Kyle.
Yeah,
Orion Turek Mishimoto.
I like it though. Looks good.
Can I help you? I didn't buy them. I'm just running them.
The Kyles.
Oh, they're Kyle's.
Yeah.
Oh, are these
One's
off
it.
is before he got the Evos.
limo.
Oh, okay.
Look at the limo.
Huh?
Get that
Holy
in
shit,
your
monster!
Currently getting ready to drill into a Subaru. No big deal.
Just give them your purple wheels and the RX-8s.
You can't use my purple wheels. These all-wheel drive and there's a cracked rim.
Shut up.
I mean, people drive on cracked wheels all the time.
Good?
Yeah, you could lower
It actually,
It doesn't look bad.
it honestly doesn't.
doesn't look horrible.
That's what I'm telling him. You should get deep dish 5 spokes when he gets
Get the
to
ESR equip wraps.
Yeah.
I saw okay on mine. I'll just buy those. This side looks good. Alright. Look at this side.
Oh, I've heard you. You have a Sharpie?
Yeah.
Screw it. We're gonna drill as many holes as needed. It's all gonna be covered up anyways. Fuck it.
Just one slice.
And then in the end, we're
Just a
gonna
big
bottom
slice down it.
anyway,
You just slice it, right? So you have adjustability.
Yeah, and then in the end of this, after destroying the whole pillar, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bonder this on.
You're gonna flush mount it? I'm gonna do it that way.
Oh, thank you, Cole.
Alright.
How the hell did the spikes come off?
They're 2-piece. Those are 17 and then the actual.
Alright, so I'm coming out to the Miata. I'm getting a sticker here for Greg's Subaru. So if there's any requests for stickers at all, let me know and I will actually start like getting orders, but I mean it's not a very big channel, so I mean it'd be just to help and support and get it building.
I did everything for like less than $1,000. So, which is like normally like $100. So, I could probably have hooked it up on this.
I'm gonna feel this off right now. Where are you
Oh, that's true. I
putting
need to wipe off the back. I don't know. I gotta figure out a spot for it first, too.
This is the card they gave me, the applicant to put on too.
Oh, like a credit card.
Yeah, it's like a blank credit card.
it? He's gonna point out all your flaws in the video.
Yes.
Well, as we're about to cut into the car.
Hey, it's got a 2004 interior swap, so don't hate. Don't mind the peanuts on the seat. That happened yesterday.
The penis on the seat?
Yes,
That's what I heard too. I was like, must be a Subaru thing.
I mean, unless you were talking about that thing right there.
Don't mind the penis in the middle.
It's a talking penis.
It's got eyes. It looks in your soul.
So they gotta take these off on both sides so they can drill holes into the seat pillar to put that on.
You wanna play with
So
that pin?
fucking sketch.
Because now that he's not sexy. So we're gonna test fit those in the Honda?
I didn't want to yank it too hard.
So what are we doing, Austin?
We are test fitting wheels.
So this is Wheel Sunday?
Pretty much.
You're going the wrong way to, okay.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, you're gonna have a light on. Don't worry about it.
Hi.
You don't have a slipper never, do you? Anybody? Al?
Hello?
One second.
Okay. I'm not. Hello. This is my car. It is very, very slow. You know, I buy it for my friend, and then he tell me I need to get a haircut.
What?
Stock ride height. Stock ride height's like perfect.
Holy shit. Damn, dude.
Dude, those actually fit like way better than they fit on the Subaru.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, they look good.
They were not made for the Subaru.
Dude, they were definitely made for a Honda Civic.
They were made for Honda.
I didn't leave it like that and don't even lower it, dude. That looks fucking good.
No, you just put on lowering springs, that's all you need.
Yeah.
You just need like a half-inch drop and you're good.
Half-inch drop.
It's like an inch or two.
Inch and a half, maybe.
If that. I
Inch
think an
and
inch
a
would
half?
be good.
Inch to two.
Inch to
Dragon
two.
Fly.
Somewhere in that range.
I'm trying to make this more battle stance, so.
Yeah, inch or
On that
two.
Inch and a half range, it'll probably put you.
Inch or two coming back. Getting your wheel all tightened up and back on now?
Yeah.
Now you're sad because you have to put the stock one back on?
Kind of, but I want to get more expensive rim.
What, not no ESR fake wheel?
Yeah. More like Enki's Wood Sports.
Yeah.
But at least I know now that that size fits.
And beautifully.
That's all that really matters. That's all I wanted to see, actually. Just because I didn't know how it was going to fit or if it would rub or not.
Yeah.
But it's nice to know that I can actually go down an inch and then be good.
And then raise it back up and give it back when the lease is up?
Well, no, I'm buying it.
Are you gonna buy it out?
Yeah. That's why I've been doing everything.
That's why you're finally starting to modify.
Angle. Yeah, you're gonna need a lot longer of a bolt.
Yeah, we might
Actually, on that YouTube video, they drilled a bigger hole. Yeah, in there, and then put it through.
Yeah. Oh, you saw the video?
Yeah, but I don't know if I really trust that, because what happens if you get it in there and then drop it? It's gonna go way down here somewhere,
It'll be different.
and it's gonna rattle. So we might as well just go get longer bolts and just go all the way through.
Get lunch too.
There you go.
What are we feeling, Jack?
I don't know.
Oh no. I'm gonna buy my beer or whatever. Okay. Jack talking about that.
Okay. All right. Moment of truth. I don't know which angle these things bolt in at.
It doesn't matter. You can just make a hole and then we'll figure it out from there.
I feel like this drill bit's huge.
That's what she said. Dull? How's it going? You got a dull bit or something?
I don't know. The little one went right through this shit, but this one's like, I don't wanna.
There you go.
Now,
Did it go?
yeah, it went through. This is sketch. Right? I don't know what angle to fucking go through the other panel.
Hey, we bought this car as a day. We bought this car was original owner, asshole.
I don't know what angle to go at.
I would just make a hole and we can make the hole bigger than after.
It like wants to send the bit that way. I'm making the outside hole bigger is the issue because it's fucking sending the bit in a weird direction. Dude, what the fuck? That's probably why they just drilled a hole. Did they drill from the inside?
They drew it from the outside.
Hmm.
The first two they drilled from the outside and they came to they used a punch to set the inside. Or bunkers to fit. What about using a slightly smaller bit and then
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a smaller bit in a minute.
go?
Yeah, he's it's like peeled up the freaking. Figure it out. It like instead of just drilling straight through and leaving a clean one, it like peeled up this way, but I don't know. Weird. We can get it flushed though.